are going back from Waterton to our Calgary. So we have stopped by at Pincher Creek and we found a very good option here that's called Uncle Al's Pizza. So they have a lot of halal options. That's a very good news for those who used to eat the halal options. So they have the halal pizza, they have the halal shawarma. Let's go inside.
Let's see their menu on the TV, what they are offering.
Yeah, and plus they have a very good sitting place. You can sit and enjoy.
Yeah.
You can take a look, right? It's a very good
Sitting.
area, yeah. And they have a lot of options here. Look at those. So you can order ahead. It's very nice. It's very good. And we just ordered two.
They have pizza.
Beef donair actually. So we'll eat on our way. Don't have enough time to stay here, but it's a very good halal options if you guys wanna eat halal here at Pincher Creek. This Uncle Al's is just beside the Walmart of the Pincher Creek. It's very easy to find out. So just come in the Walmart and look towards on your left side. You will find this.
And Kebi?
restaurant. Yeah.
For the samosa lover.
Yeah, they have the samosas as well, right? So look at that, man. Pincher Creek and samosas. Can't believe, guys. So look at that. So we're waiting for our beef donair, and we'll get back to you. I'm with Mr. Amit. He's the owner of this Uncle Al's Pizza and Pasta. So he's with us, and he is running this business. It's very good and very spacious. You guys can come here and sit and eat, dine in as well. So can you tell us like what halal option you have it?
Halal option is everything is halal.
Okay.
Pepperoni, beef, sausage, chicken wings, pasta. Everything is halal.
So chicken wings, pasta, and especially the butter chicken is halal as well. Right?
Yeah,
Right?
butter
So you can
chicken.
come here, sit and eat it. It's gonna be really awesome. So thank you very much. Like in remote area, beside the Pincher Creek Walmart, you have this restaurant open, and it's very good for those people who used to eat the halal. So come here and enjoy the halal option here, guys. So see you in another vlog. Okay, guys. So we just pick up our shawarma. It's a donair actually. So they give us we are two donair, regular size. So they give us napkin, envelope, and shawarma. Not bad. It's a pretty big, good size. This is for Dia. So I'm gonna show you a halal donair in the Pincher Creek. So look at that, guys. So pretty good packed. You see that? I asked him to put everything except the hot sauce, right? So it's hot right now, like warm, not hot. So I'm getting mouth watering, so I'm gonna try this. Okay. Look at that.
Can I take?
So he told me like they have their own sweet sauce, so I can feel the sweetness of that sauces. But it's pretty good. You can see the shawarma pieces, right? Thick pieces. Then salad, and I think so. It's a great option in Pincher Creek for all those people who used to eat the halal. So I'm going to take a one bite more. Look at that. Actually, I like it, guys. It's very good. There is no smell of donair. Usually you have some kind of a smell, but it's neat and clean, and I love it. So thank you very much for watching our channel Enjoy Star Food. If you wanna stop by at Al's Uncle in Pincher Creek, it's just beside the Pincher Creek Walmart. And please throw your comments, that's we need it. for your feedback, and please share, subscribe our channel, and keep us watching. So, Dia, the final word?
Thanks for watching.
See you in another vlog.